Welcome to session 1. The movements in this session will focus a lot on core strength and also some amount of cardiovascular endurance. Listen to my instructions carefully, get the technique 100% right, and let's together get a good workout. Let's begin with a warm-up. Your first warm-up movement, toe touches, but with a difference. Instructions first and then we do this together. So give me a wide stance, wider than hip width. Now raise those arms up to the side and take it all the way to the bottom. So up and down. But I want you to try and reach all the way down to the ground. We do it 15 seconds on one side and 15 on the other. Are we ready? Take a deep breath and go. Raise those arms all the way up to the ceiling and take it all the way down. You can bend your knee a little bit when you're taking it down. Move those arms and switch side. Getting some good shoulder rotation. Also engaging the hips, quads, chest and back. And done. The second movement is a jumping T. Feet together, arms together in front. Jump your legs out and arms out, shoulder level to the side. When you jump in, arms back in. Are we ready? 30 seconds and go. Land soft on your feet. You can keep your knees bent. This one's also taking the heart rate up gradually. Come on. 10 seconds to go. Warming up the entire body. Shoulders. And done. Your third one is downward to cobra. Down on the ground. To a downward or mountain pose. Feet flat on the ground. From here, we go to a cobra. And we keep going to downward and cobra. 30 seconds and go. Come on. This one again, warming up the entire body, opening up the hip flexors, shoulders, back, glutes, hamstring, and calf. Keep moving. All the way up, hips to the ceiling. 10 seconds to go. And drop your hips down. Keep moving. Doing good. And done. Our first main movement is beast hold. Instructions first and then we do this together. Down on all fours, arms right beneath your shoulder, your knee right beneath your hip. Now when we go to the beast hold, we want the knees off the ground, toes and arms placed on the ground nice and firm, back flat, head aligned with the spine. You ready? We're going to do a 30-second beast hold. And go. Both your knee off the ground but not too away from the ground. Now engage that midsection. Inhale and exhale nice and deep. We are doing good. 10 seconds to go. Hold strong, head aligned with the spine. Don't drop yet. Come on, come on, come on. And done. Your second movement is jumping jacks. Instructions first and then we do it together. Feet together. As you jump out, raise your arm up. As you jump back in, bring your arms back. Are you ready? 30 seconds on the clock and go. Again, stay soft on your feet. You can keep your knees slightly bent. What we want is big range. So take your arms all the way up to the ceiling. 10 seconds to go. You don't need to jump out too wide with your legs. Keep going. Almost there. Heart rate going up and done. Your third movement is the quad rockers. Down on the floor. Again, all fours. Now we drop our hips back. all the way back as low as you can and rise up. Okay? So you go down, you go up, you go down and up. At your own pace, take it slow if you have to. You ready? 30 seconds on the clock and go. Down and up. It's called quad rockers. Quads are your thighs and you will start feeling the burn around your thighs. Come on. Drop down and up. Doing good. 10 seconds to go. Come on, come on, come on. Don't stop now. Almost there and done. Round 2, movement 1, beast hold. Down on the ground, you ready? Position, 30 seconds and up. Knees off the ground. Not too far away from the ground. Work on the technique. Head aligned with the spine. Back flat. Squeeze your abs. Breathe. That's the only way to hold it up. 10 seconds. Working together. Core strength. Shoulder strength. Quad strength. Ankle mobility. And done. Second one, jumping jack. We ready? 30 seconds and go. You can even take it a little faster if you'd like. Take the heart rate up. Come on, but arms need to go all the way up, touching on the top, so that way we ensure full range of motion. Breathe in, breathe out. Land soft, 10 seconds to go. Doing good. Round 2. Come on, come on, come on. Don't stop. And done. Third movement, quad rockers. Ready? Down on the ground, 30 seconds and go. Down and up. Bring your hips all the way down. Your hamstring and your calf must touch and you raise up. Come on. You can do this slow. You can do this a little faster. Choice is yours. But keep moving. 10 seconds to go. Don't drop now. Yes, I'm with you. I feel the quad burn. Come on. And done. Round 3, movement 1. Beast hold. Down on the ground. Position. 30 seconds. Up. This is just a variation of a plank hold. However, if you feel the quads burn, you know what the difference is, right? The beast hold really engages the quads. Come on. Oh, yes. So what I spoke about. Core strength, 10 seconds, and some cardiovascular endurance. Just the right start. Simple movements, easy to execute, and done. The second one, jumping jacks. Ready? 30 seconds, go. If your legs fatigue, you can ensure your hands are constantly moving and you can just step out one leg at a time instead of jumping. But keep moving. Come on. 10 seconds. Work those arms, legs. Keep that core tight. Keep going. Almost there. And done. The third one, quad rockers. You ready? 30 seconds and let's go. Third movement of the third round. You know what that means? You get to rest after this. Come on. Down and up. Keep going. Breathe. 10 seconds to go. Drop all the way down. The ground and raise up and done. It's time to cool down. Your first movement is the downward dog. Down on the ground. Now keep your feet flat on the ground. Arms down, head between your arms. Hold that strong for 30 seconds. Are we ready? And go. Ensure the heel is pressed down on the ground. Don't raise it. And try to bring your head as close to the ground as possible. Inhale and exhale. Get a nice deep stretch. 10 seconds. Your shoulders, your back, hips, hamstring and calf. Hold, knees locked, and done. From here, the second movement is the cobra. Go down, chest up, hip flexors off the ground, feet together, and hold for 30 seconds, and go. Feet together. Relax your shoulders, relax your elbows. Get a good stretch for the abdomen, for the obliques, for the hip flexors. Ensure they're all off the ground. You can place your knees down. Inhale and exhale. 10 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. And done. From here, the third movement, child's pose. Drop your hips all the way down. Let it touch your heel. Head down, shoulders relaxed, elbows placed on the ground. Now 30 seconds right here in this stretch. And go. You will get a quad stretch with this. Ensure your chest is down. And you can reach your arms forward to get a good scapular stretch. 10 seconds. Inhale and exhale. Relax. And done. Well done with your first session. The movements are actually very simple and easy to execute. But if you're doing it for the first time, you may find it a little difficult, and that's absolutely normal. Practice will make you perfect over a period of time. So well done there. Keep it consistent. Do your second session tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Remember to rest well, eat clean, hydrate plenty. Bye-bye.